In today's video, we're going to be talking about Eurjpy potential trade setup that I am looking at right now. So just FYI, this trade is 100% based on technical analysis. There's no fundamental and data backing up this trade yet. All right. So with that being said, let's start with this technical analysis video. So here we can see that we have a strong support and resistance respected here, 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 even here, and now it's currently um, in that zone. Now we can see also that we are creating bearish structure, and then it broke this previous lower high, creating a higher high, higher low, and then we created a higher high again. Now we are currently uh, we're currently in our pullback to potentially continue to the upside. All right. With that being said, we are bullish. We are in a bullish structure. And also, if you guys can see, we also have a demand zone inside that support and resistance zone, which is this rally base, which is these two candles, this weekly doji, and then this undecisive candle, and then we have this explosive move to the outside, upside. So we have this rally base rally. We have it inside that support zone. Now let's categorize this as weekly. And then if we go to the daily, we can also see that there is a strong support and resistance right here, 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 and then now we're retesting that support level. Now we can see also on the daily that we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Now this is the previous higher high. Now we're creating the pullback to potentially continue to the upside. All right. Note that price never closed below this previous higher low. All right. That means that draw it again. That means that we are still in a bullish move to the upside. So if price literally did not close below this yellow line, then it's bullish structure. If we would have closed below, then it turns out to be a bearish move to the downside. So from bullish, the trend turns to bearish. Now, since it didn't close below, now we're still in bullish structure. What does that mean? We have weekly and daily bullish structure. So we're bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily. Now we can also see that we have a drop base and then we have a rally. All right. We also have a rally base rally. So maybe we could just highlight from here to here. Or if you guys want to do this, it's perfectly fine. Also, you can highlight this zone and also you can highlight this zone right here. But since it's pretty much the same zone, like if you do this, then it's the entire zone, then I'll just I'll just highlight the zone completely from here to here. Okay? So we're bullish on the weekly, we're bullish on the daily. We have a demand zone on the weekly, we have a demand zone on the daily, which literally it respected and then it reacted very quickly. Now, if we go to a 4-hour chart, we can see this beautiful head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. So we see that we have bearish structure, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we're creating a higher high because it broke previous structure, and it's giving us a beautiful pullback. All right, this pullback is minimum 38%. So has a 30 minimum 38 percent retracement. So now we can look to enter this position during the right session. All right. Now, if we go to the 2 hour, we can see that we were the same thing. We were doing we have bearish structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we have a higher high, breaking this previous lower high. All right. Now price is retracing, and it literally gave us the perfect bullish engulfing. Now, why I haven't entered this trade? Because simply we're not in session. It's 4:32 p.m. New York Eastern time. All right. So I enter trades only from 6 p.m. until 7 a.m. Uh, the next day. So that's my time window to enter trades. If it's outside that session, I'm not entering any type of trades. Now, since we are bullish on the 2 hour, I'm just waiting for price to give us uh, a bearish candle and then I have a bullish engulfing, and then right off that, I'll be entering, or give us simply a bullish variation pattern, which is let's say, in this case, it's going to be a red candle, let's say another red candle, or let's say a bullish candle. Yeah, has to be, in this case, it has to be like a bullish candle, which is not engulfing the previous candle, but then the other candle will engulf this previous, not this previous, the one previous to the previous candle. So this one. So if it engulfs like that, then I'm entering that trade. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm waiting for 2 hour time frame. And then on the 1 hour, I'm just waiting for price, because it's a little bit different, because in the 1 hour we were bearish, and then we broke structure, so we got bullish, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it broke our previous higher low, making this a bearish structure. So we're bearish on the 1 hour. I'm just waiting for price to create a lower low and then break this previous lower high, so that we can create a higher high, a higher low, and then a bullish engulfing or bullish variation pattern to enter this trade. So that's the two scenarios that I'm looking at right now. Let me see how it looks at 480. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm entering either on the 2 hour or 1 hour. So, and those are the criteria that I'm looking for to enter a trade. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me at the DM or leave it in the comments. Peace, guys.